before 07 nonsense came out.
It wasn't going to be a quarterback. Why waste the pick on a quarterback? They're going to take a quarterback maybe in the third or fourth round.
All right, well, Howard, let's talk about that. That's the idea of they're not going to take quarterback, as the owner says, not taking a quarterback. All right, let's get to this.
Yeah, but I don't think that's the reason.
All right, Howard, when Jeffrey Lurie says, as he did this offseason, that he's no more involved in the Eagles from a personal standpoint, stuff like that, than he's ever been. Isn't he just